Hello, this is Jan from Any Repair. Today we have a Macbook a1708 that came to our lab for repair with water damage. Two other technicians have tried to repair this. It's not a difficult one, but let's see what we have.
So, let's plug the charger and see the amps and the volts that this Mac is consuming. We can see that it negotiates for the 20 volts, but the amps are very low. That means that we have a short in the main rail PP bus G3 hot that is being detected. The charging chip opens the MOSFET to protect the board. Let's see where the short is detected. As you can see, I have already soldered my common DC jack to inject voltage. The short is located to the F7000 that is providing the voltage PP bus G3 hot to the whole system. That's where I have soldered my positive of my power supply to inject the voltage. So, the ohms value between the F7000 and ground are a few ohms. That is showing us that we have a broken MOSFET, a broken upper MOSFET that drives the main rail to a coil that feeds a very low resistance load, such as CPU. That's why we're injecting low voltage in order to protect the CPU from burning if it's not already burned. So, let's inject the 0.9 volts and check every coil to see if we can detect the voltage passing through. We have 1 amp consumption in 0.9 volts. Nothing is getting hot. We have, as you can see, the volts passing on the V-core coils. And that means that a V-core MOSFET is broken and feeding directly the coil. Let's find out which rail it is and see why the voltage is present on both coils, but only one of the MOSFET is broken. You can clearly see that these rails are feeding the same load, that they are tied together, and that's the reason why both coils have voltage. The faulty MOSFET is either U7210 or U7220. Let's see which MOSFET is faulty. We're lifting both coils and checking if the short is there. The short has gone. Now pressing back one of the two coils, we can see that the short is back. So this DR MOSFET is broken and must be replaced. So let's get ready for the a1708 IC removal. We will remove the IC and replace from a donor, after we solder back the coils. Now we're checking again for shorts. The short has gone. Let's solder the new DR MOSFET from a donor board. The DR MOSFET is soldered back and now the board is back to its chassis. Let's see now what will happen. We will plug the charger. Consumption is 690 milliamps. And it's okay. The amps are rising. We have an Apple logo, so the board is okay and the problem is no more.
That was the repair. You saw that we have the display, the Apple logo and Macbook booted in the OS. So we are okay. We will further test Macbook for possible damages on the keyboard and other things. If you like this video, consider like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. See you in another repair. Bye.